When we arrived here, parts of the garden looked alive from a distance, but the soil told a different story. It dried too quickly, weeds came back fast, and every new bed felt like starting a fight with the ground. The no-dig method changes the relationship. Instead of turning the soil over again, you cover what is there and feed life from the top. Start with the grass. Cut it low if you can, then lay cardboard over it. Overlap the edges. If light reaches the grass, it will try to come back through every gap. Wet the cardboard until it softens. This matters. Dry cardboard sits like a roof. Wet cardboard begins to settle into the bed and breaks down slowly. Next comes compost. Give the bed enough for young roots to enter. A thin sprinkle looks tidy, but it does not build a planting layer. Then cover the surface with straw, leaves, or old mulch. That cover protects the soil from sun and hard rain. It keeps moisture steady and gives worms somewhere safe to work. When you plant, open only the space you need. Keep the rest covered. The bed will look simple, but underneath it is changing. The first season is about patience. You may still pull weeds from the edges. You may still water more than you want. But each month the ground becomes easier to work. The important part is not to open the whole bed again when it looks untidy. Keep adding organic matter from the top. If one corner dries first, cover that corner better and water there, not everywhere. That is why I like this method for an old Transylvanian garden. It is not flashy. It is slow, practical, and honest. You build the soil first and the harvest follows.